Your next everyday carry backpack should be the one you forget you're wearing, until the moment it saves your day with smart access, comfort, and bulletproof build quality. By the end of this breakdown, you'll know exactly which bag fits your commute, travel, and gear load, plus a few hidden quirks to watch out for. Stick around because the top 3 have features most people miss at checkout, and they can change how you pack. 7. SwissGear 1900. The SwissGear 1900 is a classic airport warrior, and it earns that reputation with its scan-smart, lay-flat design that lets you open the bag like a book for laptop in-case TSA screening up to 17 inches, which makes flying less of a juggling act when you're loaded with tech and cables. The exterior uses 1200D ballistic polyester that feels durable in hand, and the oversized zippers and molded top handle reinforce the impression that it's built for rough daily use. There's thoughtful organization throughout: a floating tablet sleeve, accordion file holder, front organizer, side bottle pockets, and even reflective accents on the straps for visibility on late commutes. The size lands at about 31 liters with an 18.5 by 13.25 by 9-inch footprint, making it roomy enough for a jacket, lunch, office kit, and a full work setup. For a sub-$100 pack on many retailers, the sheer feature density is the big draw. In day-to-day carry, the 1900's comfort is anchored by a heavily padded back panel with airflow ventilation channels and contour-shaped straps with built-in suspension, which helps when the bag gets lopsided with tech on one side and lunch on the other. The scanning section keeps the laptop protected and flat, reducing the chance of edge dings when the bag is set down hard. The daisy chain and carabiner loops add an outdoorsy flexibility. Clipping a bike light or keys up front actually feels natural on this bag because it skews more utility than minimalism. 6. The North Face Borealis. The Borealis is a staple campus-to-commute pack with a dialed-in 28-liter capacity and the North Face's Flex Vent suspension, which pairs cushioned shoulder straps with a ventilated back panel for all-day comfort. The main compartment has ample room for layers and lunch, while the front organizer includes a fleece-lined media pocket and zip pockets to corral small bits. A padded laptop sleeve handles up to 15 to 16-inch devices, and dual stretch mesh water bottle pockets actually fit oversized bottles, which is rare on sleeker packs. The signature front bungee lets you stash a jacket, bike helmet, or a beach towel, which adds real-world utility when you're juggling bulky layers on the go. It's versatile, familiar, and easy to live with. On the street, that bungee system is the Borealis's secret sauce: fast stash and go for a light puffer in shoulder season, while the side compression and sternum strap keep heavy loads from sloshing around when you're moving quickly. The handle is padded, and reflective hits help with visibility at night. Rounding out commuter cred, the internal organizer keeps a tidy home for cords and daily essentials without overcomplicating the layout. It's a pack that disappears on the back until you need the extra cubic inches the bungee gives you. However, the Borealis can feel more outdoors casual than urban stealth, and the bungee, while super handy, isn't ideal for small items. You'll want a pouch or inside pockets for those, or you'll play fetch with gravity. 5. Mystery Ranch 2-Day Backpack. The Mystery Ranch 2-Day Assault is a 27L urbanized take on a beloved tactical platform anchored by the brand's signature 3-zip opening for lightning-fast top-to-bottom access. Made from 500D Cordura with YKK zippers, it's built for abuse, and the full-length frame sheet plus adjustable yoke give this pack an unusually planted, dialed fit for a day pack. External MOLLE lets you mount pouches if you want modularity, while the main compartment's floating padded sleeve fits up to a 15-inch laptop with an adjacent document/tablet sleeve. It's the rare EDC pack that can pivot from office to trail without feeling out of place. Living with the 2-Day means enjoying the 3-zips packability. Drop the front panel and you can see and grab everything, which beats traditional top loaders and some clamshells for quick retrieval. 2 lid pockets handle sunglasses, keys, and snacks without digging, and internal mesh pockets prevent small gear from free floating. Side compression keeps the silhouette tidy, and a removable web waist belt is there if you're hiking and want that extra stability. It's confidence-inspiring gear, stiff but supportive, and happy under heavier loads than fashion-forward EDC bags. Specs are right where an EDC Plus pack should be, roughly 21 by 12 by 11 inches, about 3 pounds, and a usable, honest 27 liters that doesn't vanish when you start organizing. The Cordura shell shrugs off scrapes, and the brand's lifetime warranty is a reassuring signal for long-term use. It's equally comfortable hauling a camera cube or a change of clothes and toiletries for a one-nighter. 4. Able Carry Max EDC. The Able Carry Max EDC rethinks the big day pack with a compact 26-liter frame that carries like a smaller bag but organizes like a travel pack. It's designed around a dedicated work compartment that fits up to a 16-inch MacBook Pro alongside a suite of mesh pockets and a top zip pouch for cables and small power bricks, plus a generous false bottom to protect your device from drops. Materials vary by spec, but you'll find premium options like X-Pack and 1000D Cordura, and the overall build is crisp with smart rigidity for easy packing. Dimensions are about 19.6 by 11.8 by 7.5 inches, and weight sits in the low 3-pound range depending on fabric. Day-to-day, the Max EDC stands out for its balance. It's big enough to handle gym plus work carry, yet trims bulk compared to classic 30L bags. The laptop sleeve is suspended roughly 2 inches off the bottom for excellent edge protection, and the frame sheet access is cleanly hidden with an extra zip pocket up top for valuables. Organization is just enough. 3 mesh pockets in the work compartment and thoughtful stash points, without the honeycomb of tiny slots that slow packing. It feels purpose-built for modern tech loads. Carry comfort is strong thanks to structured panels and harness tuning that resists slouch when partially packed. The optional hip belt is a nice add if you're using it as a travel day pack, though most will stick to the sternum strap. 3. Black Ember CITADEL R325. The CITADEL R325 is a masterclass in urban weatherproof carry, built around Black Ember's PFAS-free EmberTex textile, a twisted nylon 6 with an abrasion-resistant matte finish and a structured hand that makes packing and access clean. YKK AquaGuard zippers and laser-cut bonded Hypalon panels add to the weatherproof integrity, while ergonomic 3D shoulder straps with dual-density EVA and a contoured back panel with an air channel keep carry comfortable and cool. The suspended laptop sleeve and magnetic tablet sleeve protect devices, and the hardware is premium T6 anodized aluminum with theft-deterrent locking zipper pulls. In use, the R3 feels like a vault that opens quickly. The structure from the 1200 by 600 denier spec prevents the soggy bag effect when partially packed, so your gear stays where you put it. Quick access top storage, optional compression straps, and a removable sternum strap round out daily function touches without clutter. The load lifters and shaped straps distribute weight better than many minimalist urban packs, which is noticeable with a fully loaded 25-liter. The aesthetic is stealth industrial and reads premium without shouting tactical, which makes it an easy pick for city commuters who ride or walk in unpredictable weather. The modular side handle and brief carry mode add flexibility for tight spaces and travel aisles. If you value weather protection and clean organization over maximal pocketing, the R3's balance hits just right. It's worth noting that while the R3 is highly weather-resistant, it's not a dry bag. Zippers are sealed, construction is precise, but submersion isn't the intent. 2. GORUCK GR1 USA Slick. The GR1 Slick takes GORUCK's legendary one-bag durability and strips the exterior moly for a cleaner, more urban profile, while keeping the bomb-proof build and straight-up functional layout. Built in the USA with 1000D Cordura and burly YKK zippers, the GR1 Slick comes in 21L and 26L. Sized around 12 by 20 by 6.75 inches in the 21L, with the signature bomb-proof laptop compartment that sits elevated and against the back panel. In daily use, the square profile and full panel loading interior make packing cubes and pouches work beautifully, with a flat base that stands up better than slouchy bags. The lack of exterior webbing keeps it incognito in professional environments, and the harness, while unpadded by ultralight standards, distributes weight predictably and comfortably once adjusted. There's a reason GR1s are go-to ruck training bags. They take load and punishment while staying stable. The trade-off is price and weight. This is premium, and the 1000D shell isn't the lightest. Color choices are famously limited to black on black most seasons, which some love and others find boring. Weather resistance is solid, but not the laminated, sealed style you'll get on the CITADEL. So consistent heavy rain calls for a liner. For those who prize longevity, repairability, and a timeless silhouette that transitions from office to travel to the occasional ruck, the GR1 Slick is an heirloom daily carry. BIHN Synik 30. The Synik 30 is a dialed 30L EDC travel hybrid that upgrades the beloved Synapse platform with a full clamshell main compartment and a 2-point access suspended laptop compartment that fits up to 16-inch laptops. Edgeless shoulder straps improve comfort under load, and a rolling luggage handle pass-through makes it a superb airport companion. BIHN's obsessive organization philosophy runs through the bag, with intuitive pockets that don't steal space from the main compartment and smart access that shortens every "where did I put" moment. On the back, those edgeless straps matter. The padding distribution and shape reduce hotspots, keeping 30L loads surprisingly manageable even for smaller frames. The clamshell opens wide for cube-based packing, and the laptop's suspended sleeve plus 2-point access means you can grab your device without rummaging or opening the whole bag. The handle is more padded than earlier generations, a small upgrade that adds up when sprinting between gates. Other quality-of-life touches include a well-executed luggage pass-through that threads onto roller handles without removing the frame, which business travelers will love. The internal layout rewards routine, camera cube one day, gym kit the next, without feeling over-partitioned, and materials and stitching quality are top-tier, as expected from the brand's Seattle-built heritage. It's a bag that feels equally at home as a daily tech hauler or a minimalist overnighter. If there's a limitation, it's that 30L is a commitment for daily carry if your load is minimal. It carries well, but it's still 30 liters. Final thought. That's all for today, folks.